Ever wish you could quickly grab that email address or phone number you just copied without having to copy it again? Samsung phones have a built-in keyboard clipboard that lets you access and paste previously copied text with a tap, and it's super easy to turn on. First, open your phone settings app. You can usually find this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Once in settings, scroll down and find General Management, tap on that. Now, look for Samsung keyboard settings and tap it. This is where we'll find our clipboard. Within the keyboard settings, you'll see a few options. We're looking for the one that says Show Keyboard Info Pop-up List. Make sure this toggle is switched on. And that's it. Now, when you tap and hold in any text field, you'll see a small pop-up above your keyboard. Tap on the clipboard icon, and you'll see a list of all the things you've recently copied. Just tap on any item in the list, and it will be pasted directly into your text field, saving you time and effort. This clipboard feature is a game changer for productivity, especially when you're dealing with multiple pieces of information on your Samsung phone. So, give it a try and make your typing experience on your Samsung phone that much smoother.